Guardrails and barrier posts are vital safety components within industrial settings. They protect equipment, products, and structural elements, reducing costs and minimizing downtime. Most importantly, these safety features are crucial for protecting people from injuries in these environments. The Protective Guarding Manufacturers Association, ProGMA, places safety as its #1 priority. ProGMA members are leading suppliers and manufacturers of protective guarding solutions, promoting the highest standards for the safety of people, products, and facilities. This commitment to safety ensures that their products are reliable and effective. Standardized safety testing methods are critical for achieving consistent equipment performance across the industry. These industry-wide standards ensure that manufacturers are meeting industrial safety levels. This standardization provides consumers with confidence in the impact performance of guardrails and barrier posts when they are struck by powered industrial trucks. To achieve this level of assurance, ProGMA developed the ANSI standard MH31.2, which is the test method for crash testing guardrail barriers and barrier posts. To ensure repeatable and unbiased performance, it is imperative that the testing is conducted by an independent and accredited crash testing laboratory. These laboratories are equipped with the necessary technology and expertise to carry out precise and reliable tests. A surrogate standardized test vehicle, which emulates a powered industrial truck, is used for all impact tests. This vehicle features a rounded front nose positioned between 6 inches to 42 inches above the ground to simulate realistic impact scenarios. These standardized test vehicles come in 4 specific weights: 9,000 pounds, 12,000 pounds, 15,000 pounds, and 20,000 pounds. Additionally, impact occurs at 3 defined speeds: 3 miles per hour, 5 miles per hour, and 7 miles per hour, with other weights and speeds used in specific cases. All testing is conducted under dry conditions on a flat concrete surface with a maximum allowable grade of 0.5%. This ensures that the testing conditions are consistent and controlled. 2 types of impact tests are performed on the protective barrier, one at the center of the rail and one at the end post. These tests measure the horizontal displacement of the barriers, evaluating both dynamic deflection, the movement during the impact, and permanent deflection, the remaining displacement after the impact. Any dynamic deflection greater than 24 inches means the guardrail did not perform adequately under those test conditions. The test reports are prepared by the independent accredited testing laboratory and certified by the test director. These reports include detailed documentation of any damage and deflection incurred by the equipment during the tests. Photographs, data charts, and detailed descriptions provide a comprehensive view of the test results. Each product is given a rating on its safety performance under the tested conditions. For example, an impact rating of I95 indicates a passing impact test for a 9,000-pound vehicle at 5 miles per hour. This rating system allows consumers to quickly understand the level of protection offered by a guardrail. ProGMA's testing standards bring a high level of confidence to the process of evaluating various guardrail and safety post options. The commitment to safety is paramount for ProGMA members, who aim to exceed client expectations with all their product offerings. These rigorous standards ensure that consumers can trust the protective solutions they choose for their facilities. To learn more details about these testing standards or to see a list of all ProGMA members, visit the website at mhi.org/ProGMA